You've been lied to. AI is not a magic wand. It won't save your business. It won't fix your broken systems. It won't suddenly make you profitable. In fact, if you're not careful, AI will expose your weaknesses faster than ever, publicly, painfully, and permanently. Let me take you inside the real truth that consultants, SaaS platforms, and tech evangelists won't tell you. AI only amplifies what's already working. If your business is broken, it just speeds up the fall. The world is in an AI frenzy. You scroll through LinkedIn, everyone's AI powered. Your competitors? Now boasting automated marketing, AI lead gen, and intelligent CRMs. Every startup pitch? We're disrupting X with AI. It sounds powerful. It sounds futuristic. It sounds like the only way to survive. So you do what millions of businesses are doing. You sign up for AI copywriters. You install AI chatbots. You pay for predictive analytics. You funnel money into tools, platforms, and plugins. But nothing changes. Leads are still inconsistent. Revenue's still plateaued. The team is overwhelmed, just now, with more tools to learn. So what happened? Let's make one thing clear. AI is a multiplier, not a savior. It's like electricity. It powers the machine, but if your machine is rusted, misaligned, and outdated, electricity won't fix it. It'll just make it break down faster. You see, most failing businesses don't have a technology problem. They have a business fundamentals problem. 1. Poor customer value propositions. 2. No market product fit. 3. Clunky internal processes. 4. Bloated org charts. 5. Terrible customer experiences. 6. Weak data structures. 7. Confused leadership. AI can't solve these. In fact, when you apply AI to them, it exposes the flaws faster. Let me share a true story, names redacted. A mid-seven-figure e-commerce company approached me for help. They wanted to use AI to scale faster. They had just implemented 1. An AI chatbot for customer service. 2. AI copy for product descriptions. 3. Predictive analytics to forecast demand within 60 days. 1. Customer complaints went up. 2. Returns skyrocketed. 3. Marketing conversions tanked. Why? Because their back end was a mess. 1. Their product data was inconsistent. 2. Fulfillment times were inaccurate. 3. Their chatbot didn't integrate with their outdated CRM. 4. Their team didn't know how to interpret the AI's recommendations. AI didn't solve their problems. It amplified them. Here are the real reasons AI won't save your business. 1. Weak positioning. If you don't clearly communicate why you exist and why customers should care, AI-generated content just makes the confusion louder. 2. No defined process. AI thrives on structure. If your business has undocumented or chaotic workflows, AI tools just create chaos at scale. 3. Bad data. AI is only as smart as the data it's fed. If your CRM is full of outdated, messy, or incomplete data, every decision AI makes will be flawed. 4. Lack of customer understanding. No AI can replace the nuance of deep customer empathy. You can't automate what you haven't discovered. 5. Inflexible culture. AI demands adaptability. If your team resists change or fears tech, implementation will stall, every time. 6. No core metrics. AI can't tell you what to optimize if you don't know what matters. KPIs must be defined before automations are applied. 7. Hollow brand values. AI doesn't build trust. It automates interactions. If your brand lacks human connection, AI widens the distance. One of the biggest AI trends on TikTok and YouTube right now is prompt engineering. You've seen the titles. 1. Use this ChatGPT prompt to 10x your sales. 2. This AI workflow made me $50,000 last month. 3. Automate your entire business with one GPT plugin. Yes, prompt engineering is a skill. But it's not a business model. If your core offer isn't converting, if you don't understand your customer, if you're unsure of your messaging, no prompt in the world will save you. AI gives the illusion of progress. It's easy to feel productive when 1. You generate 10 blogs in 5 minutes. 2. You build a chatbot that replies instantly. 3. You create a spreadsheet with auto-generated insights. But speed means nothing if you're going in the wrong direction. AI can make you feel efficient. But efficiency applied to poor decisions leads to faster failure. Let's talk data. Chart with downwards trend emoji. 72% of AI implementations fail to meet ROI expectations. Gartner, chart with downwards trend emoji. Over 80% of business leaders say poor data quality undermines their AI initiatives. MIT Sloan, chart with downwards trend emoji. 47% of consumers say AI-based customer support makes experiences worse, not better. PwC, chart with downwards trend emoji. Only 11% of companies report significant financial benefits from AI investments after 2 years. McKinsey. These aren't edge cases. These are mainstream businesses chasing AI hype without fixing their foundation. So what works? Here's what winning businesses do before they add AI. White check mark emoji. They fix their customer journey. They remove friction manually before automating touchpoints. White check mark emoji. They build clear SOPs, standard operating procedures. Everyone knows the steps. AI tools just execute faster. White check mark emoji. They clean and tag their data. Garbage in equals garbage out. They don't feed AI trash. White check mark emoji. They train teams in AI adoption. They don't throw tools at employees. They coach and incentivize learning. White check mark emoji. They test small, scale fast. They don't overhaul everything at once. They pilot smart use cases and expand. Want to know if your business is AI ready? Use this checklist. 1. Do you have clean, structured, real-time data? 2. Do you have standardized operating procedures? 3. Is your team trained and AI curious, not fearful? 4. Are your customer personas detailed and validated? 5. Do you have clear, measurable KPIs that AI tools can optimize? 6. Do you know what not to automate? If you can't check those boxes, pause. Don't chase the next AI tool. Build your business muscle first. Before buying another AI subscription, do these 5 things. Break down your current workflows, bottlenecks, and inefficiencies. List out key goals and KPIs. AI only helps if it knows what you care about. Visualize the journey, from first touch to post-purchase, and highlight pain points. Tag contacts. Merge duplicates. Set rules for how info is updated. Even basic AI literacy can unlock smarter adoption. We are in the middle of a transformation. Just like the internet changed business forever in the early 2000s. Just like mobile and cloud reshaped entire industries. AI is the next disruption. But tools don't replace judgment. They don't replace customer experience. They don't replace strategy. The businesses that win the AI game will not be the ones who adopt the most tools. It'll be the ones who have the strongest foundation to build on. If your business feels messy, if you're tired of inconsistent revenue, if your team is burning out from disorganized systems, don't add more tech. Start with clarity. Clean the pipes. Define your strategy. Fix your offer. Document your process. Align your culture. Then, and only then, let AI take you to scale. Because when AI meets clarity, it's rocket fuel. But when AI meets chaos, it's a dumpster fire. If this hit home, if you're done playing with AI hype and ready to build a business that actually scales, Let's connect. I'm Richard Butler Jr., and I help founders, marketing leaders, and business owners build AI-ready foundations that drive real growth before they automate anything. Join me on the Grow with Technology podcast and LinkedIn newsletter for weekly insights that cut through the noise. Drop a comment, DM me AI ready, or share this with someone chasing AI before building real business momentum. The truth will save your time, money, and business future. Now go fix what's broken, and then automate the greatness.